In today's video, I'll walk you through how to make a list on HubSpot और 100 access it, including how to create, customize, and manage your contact lists effectively. This process will help you organize your audience, streamline communication, and run more targeted marketing campaigns. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, head to the top right corner and click Log In. Enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. After signing in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard, the central area where you can manage all your marketing, sales, and service tools. From the top navigation bar, click on CRM. This is the section where HubSpot stores and organizes all your contact data. Within CRM, find and select Wall Lists. The list tool allows you to group contacts based on shared traits or actions, making it easier to manage campaigns and personalize outreach. Next, click the Create List button. This opens the setup page for your new list. Here, you'll need to give your list a name, something clear and specific, such as New Leads, November Campaign, or Newsletter Subscribers. A descriptive name helps you and your team quickly identify what the list is for later on. Now, you'll be asked to choose between static and active lists. A. Static list is fixed. Once contacts are added, it stays the same unless you manually update it. And active list, on the other hand, updates automatically based on conditions you set, like contacts who opened the last week's email or new customers added this month. Choose the one that best fits your goal. For most marketing workflows, active lists are recommended because they stay current without manual effort. After selecting your list type, set up your filters and criteria. This step determines which contacts are included. For example, you can filter by location, deal stage, sign-up source, or engagement activity. HubSpot provides powerful segmentation options, so take your time to define these settings accurately. Once you've configured the filters, click Apply Filter, and HubSpot will automatically generate a preview of the contacts that match your criteria. Review this list to ensure it aligns with what you need. If everything looks good, hit Save List. Your list will now appear in your Watch List dashboard. From here, you can click on it anytime to view, edit, or export the contacts. You can also use your list for email campaigns, workflows, and reports directly within HubSpot. Managing your contact list regularly is key to keeping your CRM clean and efficient. You can edit criteria, rename lists, or even delete old ones to stay organized as your business grows. And that's it. You've successfully created and managed a contact list in HubSpot. Building and maintaining well-structured lists helps improve your communication flow, enhance marketing precision, and strengthen customer relationships. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick HubSpot tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.